I was saying, Hala banchima nga ino musajja amugoberera amubeerako emabega. Ne tugenda ku hoteri gye bantwala eyo mu bagagga ne tulya nga naye omusajja tamuvaako. Taata we n'amukubira. Taata we buli ssaawa ng'amukubira all the time. Okitegeera. Hala bambi yalaba naye bimutamye. Kirabika bamufuga. N'agamba kyaliwo ajje antwaleko ku hoteri. Kyaliwe n'ajja. Kyaliwo avuga Porsche. Ka Porsche buno obutono. Nga muggulawo eno maaso ye wate gye muteeka ebintu. Kawala ne kafuluma nga kambadde olupale. Kati we twali tugenda nga kaŋŋamba bakuŋŋambako biki buli ssaawa lererere. Tutuuka eno gye nali nsula ne kaŋŋamba wano nga si walungi kankutwale walala. Okisege.
Finally, Mick Sims too fan yakomyewo ku live. Yabadde abuza okumalira ddala ennaku 3. Era nga we yakomyewo yatutegeezezza nti obweraliikirivu bonna bonna obwabaddewo. Actually, abadde talina kukomawo ku live. Okujjako maama we eyamufoosinze okubeera ng'akoma kubanga ne maama we yeeraliikiridde ng'abantu abasigadde bonna we beeraliikirira. Hala nga bamubuuza Mikey ali luddawa, Hala naye nga tamanyi wa Mikey gy'ali. Mikey yennyini yatubuulidde exactly wa gy'abadde, mbw abadde mu nnyama, abadde mu nkudi. Kyokka ng'enkudi gy'alimu si eya Hala eyamutwala, wabula ya mukwano gwa Hala awootira Omunnayuganda. Awo Mikey tukuwadde obuvunaanyizibwa otukiikirira East Africa worldwide kubanga olaba ne Dubai otukiikiridde. Baboy child abamu bagamba amunira obakiikiridde mu ngeri ennungi. Hala we yeemamaaza awo nga batuuse ku airport biki ate bazadde be mbukyayaka bamufuga. Hala n'asalawo akubire mukwano gwe ajja amuyambeko atwale Mikey wa gy'alina okubeera ng'asula. Ebyaddirira Mikey ensonga lwaki abadde takyalabikako paka kati Avuddewo okubeera ng'alabikako. Soka owulire emboozi gye basobodde okubeera nga bakwasaganya ne Hala oluvannyuma lwa Mick Sims too fan okukomawo ne tukyewuunya nti ne Hala yennyini abadde tamanyi wa Mick Sims too fan gy'ali. Kyokka ng'ekyamuja wano mu Uganda genda kulaba Hala. Emboozi bweti bweri. Naye nga sinabeera nga ngikuteerako kankusawo subscribing nga nokozesa Max Media tojja kubeera nga omisinga updates naddala nga zino.
Sorry, Baba. Sorry.
No. I've blocked her on TikTok. I've blocked her on Snap.
أنا ما بقدر. خلي ولي block everyone. خلي ولي يا بابا. خلاص finished.
Enough is enough. I've told her, let me even, please leave me. Let me enjoy my life with my wife because we are meant to be. Don't text me again. Please don't text me again. And let this be the last time you talk to me, please. I don't want you in my life. Please. See you. Go.
Wait, tell her you are stupid.
No, my love.
No,
that is wrong.
No.
Why would I call someone stupid?
No, tell her this. You are stupid.
No, that is wrong.
No,
Kana kakante kamu milioni 5. No, that is wrong. That is
tell
wrong.
her, class, skip, stupid. Tell her you are not honest. You are harami lady.
Why? What has she done? She has just been a good friend.
No, tell her you are harami lady. You cheat your friend. Yalla, show me.
Oh, okay.
You are like a dog. You can go with anyone.
No. That is wrong.
No, say what I'm saying. Say this. Yalla.
Okay. You are a dog.
You are rounding with anyone.
Yes. Very wrong.
Your face like a cow.
Yes. Your face like a cow.
Your body like a zombie.
No. That is bad. That is bad.
Yalla, speak.
Okay. I put what?
Your face like a cow.
Your face like a cow.
Your body like a zombie.
Your body. Yeah, muganda wange kayina omubiri gulinga gwalidi ya jazimini. Oba kakola sajjali.
Yalla, speak.
Like?
Zombie. Nikki, tomorrow inshallah you will be in the gym. I will share to. Can you please open your stupid mobile so I can message you? Yalla, open the mobile now.
Okay. I have. I love you so much, Hala. I came
Yalla,
here for
yalla,
you.
yalla. Hi, Mickey. How are you? Where are you? Show me the message.
It's on this phone. It's on this phone.
Not going.
It is. Let me change my setting, okay, my love, for you. No, I'm going to buy a phone where I only talk to you.
I don't want future. I need the moment. No future. I don't want my future lost with you. Now, on the spot.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Muganda wange erinnya nali tunsiza neteekako nayiga ne kali kayina ebbuba jjukira kayina ebbuba onobwere kali bakubira essimu ne katunula kati kyokka nga I love you so much.
Miki, don't gerger too much.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
Yalla, not sorry. I don't want to hear sorry anymore. Yalla, ya habibi, yalla.
I'm sorry.
Yalla, ya habibi, sorry, yalla. Sorry, hafiklori, yalla.
I'm sorry, my love.
Yalla, ya baba, I don't want you to hear sorry again. I will come to box you down.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm so sorry.
I will come to box you down in the hotel, yalla.
Yeah, come, please, come.
I will never come. I need you to open the mobile right now. Yalla.
No, you come. Please come to the hotel. Baby girl, come to my hotel. Baby girl, come to my hotel.
I can't trust you. Sorry, I can't trust you. Sorry. You are harami. Hey.
Baby girl, come to my hotel. Now you no ja. No ja.
You are harami. I can't trust you. You are big harami. I can't trust you. Oh, Africa.
My love, you should come and see me.
Show me my message which I dropped you now.
I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you after
Are you
this.
blocking me?
No. I can never.
Message is not going.
Why? Data? Is it data? Oh, I like that sound.
Yalla, Mickey. Yalla, Mickey. Yalla, Mickey. Tomorrow, inshallah, very good boxing it will happen, yalla. Yalla, Mickey. Show me the message.
I'm going to call you, okay? After here, I'm going to call
I
you.
need to hear my message which I send it to you right now.
No, listen, my love. Listen,
In
okay?
this mobile? Okay, shut up. In this mobile, right?
Okay.
Okay, you have other mobile?
It's here.
In this mobile or this mobile?
No, this is another number. I told you my WhatsApp is on this phone.
Best. Done. Forward the message, go now WhatsApp. Forward the message from this mobile to other mobile.
I'm on live. I can't use this phone.
You can use it, Mickey. You can use it, ya baba. Habibi.
Can I call you? Can I call you right now? Let me call.
Habibi, you can use it, ya baba. Go to.
Let me call.
WhatsApp still is not going. Ha.
No, I've just called you and you made my number busy.
I cancel your call.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Nga gwe ate zaateekamu sima taata wo sima akubidde essimu najja nsibye putulu taata wakkubira essimu siina kyenkoze odduse ondaze emmotoka ondaze buli kimu munna asalawo bwantwala eno era tetwagenda yaŋŋamba bugambi you want biki
For 3 days and you need me to respect and to believe you, huh? And you're coming from there to here. to see
My,
me.
my love, let me tell you something.
Don't say love. Don't say
Listen,
it. Don't say
listen,
it. Don't say it.
listen. I've been off, but I could not breathe. I could not breathe.
نعم اسم الله ليه يا خويا
Ila kuya.
إن شاء الله
Yeah?
ليه يا خويا إن شاء الله شو سويت لك أنا إن شاء الله
Ila kuya. I was not breathing, I'm telling you.
ليه إن
Thinking
شاء الله
about you, all of atrocity. I was like, okay.
because I don't know how to fight with English I will fight with Arabic now خلاص my English over
Ila kuya kategeza chiwa. Ila kuya, my love.
don't say love حبيبي okay don't say love
No, baby, listen, okay? Your friend told me she's married, right? And you know the boyfriend, that's what she told me. And she told me she has only come to help because you asked her to come. Then, okay, she told you, hey, Hala, you have a handsome boy, African, But trust me, after you left, she told me, you know what? I can't stay here if Allah is not around. Please have a good day. She left. I missed you. I've been crying. I crew. I crew all these days. Go ahead. I crew all these days for you, my love. Is that a camera in your bedroom? A camera? Nalisija mulabe ono mwana tata ono mwana akube simu. My God. Akuwase rumu. Yes, baby.
this is not my room this is Khaddama room
Oh.
it's not my room but I'm sitting in her room because she's cleaning my room is busy
Now why are you hiding?
even see her stuff this is all her stuff
Oh.
I don't know her room is dirty I will kill her now
Our room looks nice. It's okay. So I was telling you, yeah, your friend, she came back here and took me to Dior. She got me some nice stuff. She bought me a jacket.
Where is my gifts, Mikey?
What gifts?
Where is my shopping? Where is my stuff? Where?
Charlie kweli mse. Muno ya samu atogweze semu. Your friend, okay, I have what did you want? Oh, the stuff I came with from Kampala.
Around 3 days you're off.
Yeah, I've been busy.
Busy with what, Mickey?
I was busy doing something.
What something? I need to know. I'm excited to know what is something, what she was doing.
Did you leave me with your friend?
Mickey,
Did you leave me with your friend?
be straightforward and shortcut. Tell me what you was doing and why you disappeared.
My question is simple. Did you leave me with your friend or not?
You the one said leave me with your friends. You said to me direct, Hala, now the time is very late, and because my dad was calling me, you said to me, okay, then go. I will finish everything with your friend, and I will call you later. Then
You told me.
No, wait. Once I come home, I'm trying to text you. It's off. It's not reaching. I'm trying to call you. It's not reaching. You disappeared. I'm trying to call my friend to come to know what is happening to you and where are you. What is the last update? She's gone as well. So, what happened? Tell me. See, my eyes are crying every day. I'm
She
crying.
bought me new clothes.
Which kind of clothes?
She took me to Dubai Mall. She bought me stuff yesterday, and that's how, and she drove off. But it's very funny, she has been coming to see me every day. But you, the person I know, you never came back to see me.
Because you closing your mobile, even I don't know, you already make a reservation in the same hotel or no? How I will contact you, tell me?
Kyali wakusinga obulungi ne ssente.
Please, you have
I can
to-
never love your friend. Respect me.
What?
Respect me.
I'm not going to respect you till you will tell me. And
I
please,
can never love your friend.
everyone is judging me and everyone making videos against me. I killed you, I put you police, and now you're telling me respect me? Where you was? Tell me what you was doing.
I was sick. I've been sick in the hotel. No one was coming to see me. I'm sickly, dying, no medicine, nothing. And you say I was with your friend? Really?
Your face is not sick. You're sick. Your face is look healthy. Very healthy. There is light coming